Hey there folks, it's Pliskin, and I'm in the backyard of the new home. And I was gonna paint my AR-15, but as you can see, if you can tell here, it's starting to rain. But anyway, even though it's raining and I can't paint my AR right now at this moment, I have my AR taped up. I taped my magazine off. I took a pencil and chalked where the mag well would end. Well, scribed it with a pencil. And the mag well ends right there. I taped up to that point. And then here's the AR itself. Taped up the flash hider. And I taped up the mag well and the trigger. So I'm ready to get it painted, but the weather isn't cooperating. So that's what's coming up next. Stay tuned.